Is your business phone number changing? Don't worry, updating it in Aisensy is quick and easy, ensuring uninterrupted service for your valuable customers. First, log into your Aisensy account using your existing credentials. Make sure you have your new phone number ready to go. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile or account settings section. This is usually found in the top right corner or within the main menu. Look for an icon that resembles a person or a gear. Now, locate the field displaying your current phone number. There should be an edit or change option next to it. Click on that. Aisensy will likely send a verification code to your existing phone number for security purposes. Enter the code in the provided field to confirm your identity. This proves you have access to the current account. After verification, you'll be prompted to enter your new phone number. Be extremely careful to enter it correctly, including the country code. Double-check every digit before proceeding. Next, Aisensy will send another verification code, this time to your new phone number. Retrieve the code and enter it in the corresponding field. This confirms that you have access to the new number and that it's active. Once you've entered the second verification code, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. Congratulations, your Aisensy account is now linked to your new phone number. You can now continue using all of Aisensy's features seamlessly. Remember to inform your team and update any relevant contact information within your system.